Hello everyone, I am Maria Teresa Silmar, and for today's video, I am going to show you the 10 basic Excel functions that we need, especially when we are student, teachers, or even office workers. Let us start with count. The formula here is equals, count, then range, then you enter. That's it. Next is count if. In count if, I have selected the data, Pampers, the brand Pampers and also the Downy, copy and paste. And then in count if, you type equals count if tab and select the range and also the criteria and select the enter. You have 6, and then also same process in Downy. So we have 6 and 3 Downy and Pampers. Next is average. Same process as count. You just type equals and then average and then select range and enter. Let's move on to average if. In average if, the same process as count if. So you just type equals average if tab and then select the range, criteria, and average range. So Pampers and then the criteria and then the range, average range, and then you enter. So that's 49.96. Same process with the Downy. So for Pampers, 49.796 and Downy, 69.73. Now for function sum, same process. You just type equals sum and then tab, select range, and then you select enter. Now moving on to sum if. Same process. Let's put sum if in the header and then equals sum if in the formula, range, criteria, and sum range. So we select the H range and then criteria and sum range and select enter. So that's 9,132.42. Same process with the Downy. And then select the sum range, and then there you have it. We have 6,232.42 for Downy. Let's move on to function proper. The purpose of proper is to make the beginning or the initial letter of the data bigger, and then the rest is small letter. So this is, you just have to equals proper and then select the letter or select the text and then enter. So the purpose of formula lowercase is to make the text all small letters. So all you have to do is type the equals and then lower and then top and then select the text, and there you have it, all small letters. The next function is uppercase. So the purpose of uppercase is to make all the text capital letters. So you just have to type equals and then upper, then top, and select the text, and there you have it, all capital letters. So we have proper, lowercase, and uppercase. The last function is VLOOKUP. So the purpose of VLOOKUP is to gather the data. So there are a lot of data, and when you want to find the specific data, all you have to do, select another sheet and then type VLOOKUP and then select the range and then select the range, the table array, and then put comma and then type 3 because you have selected 3 tables. After putting a comma, there are 2 selections. You have to always choose the false to get the exact amount or the exact data. And then this is the function VLOOKUP. There you have it, the 10 Excel tricks to make your life easier. Thank you for watching. Bye!